Hey guys, I'm James and welcome to Mostly Helpful. Today I want to show you something to do with headphones, specifically these. A pair of Sennheiser headphones I love. I've had these 20 years and recently I've had a problem with the foam inside the earpiece here disintegrating, ending up in my ear, and generally they've seen better days. I've already replaced the pads in these 10 years ago, but once again it's time to do that job. So let me show you how to do it. Now, fresh off the plane is a nice package here from our good friends over at Sennheiser in Germany. It's come direct from them, and let's see what they've sent me. This is my first unboxing on YouTube. Ordered these up a couple of days ago, just under £25. So if you love your Sennheisers the way I do, money well spent. Right, let's get rid of that. And there we go. One brand new set of earpads for this model. Also covers a number of other models. These are 590s, HD500s, 570, 575 and 590. I'll put links in the description below, but let me show you now how to get them fitted. Here we are with the headphones ready. Just here's my HD590, that's where you'll find your model number, certainly on these. First thing to do is to remove this cable. It's just a simple pull out, 2.5mm jack there. So if you've damaged your cable, equally, that is very, very simple to replace. The nice thing about changing the ear pads on these is that you don't need to remove the headband and you don't need to remove this mesh part here. You can do, but you don't need to. As you can see, my ear pads are actually in pretty good condition, but the problem is that the protection piece that's inside, that has completely disintegrated, and over time it's just fallen out. And then it really is very simple. These are just an interference fit, so it's just a case of pinching and sort of levering this out gently. It clicks out, and there we go, there's one. And then just on the other side, exactly the same, just pinch and sort of rotate, and there we go. Simple as that. And you can see in there is some of that foam that's been left over. So I'm just going to clean that up before we start fitting the new ones. Now here on the other side you can see a good deal more of this foam. This is what it comes out like. And you'll know that when you've got it because you'll start getting pieces of foam like this sticking to your ears when you take your headphones off. I remember buying these. I bought these in a place in Tottenham Court Road and they were £79. And to an impoverished student as I was at the time, that was a big investment of money. But I'm delighted I did it, and they still are superb sounding headphones. I use it with a CD player, really nice Sony CD player. I've got another set of headphones and a headphone amplifier upstairs, so these are my second pair. Right, I'll remove the rest of this and then show you how to fit the new ones. So let's just take an opportunity to compare one of these new foam earpads with one of these old ones. As you can see, this has nothing here, and equally neither does this one, but that is our key piece that is the bit that disintegrates. What you can also see is that this has gone very brown with age, and these are a much nicer, newer black. Other than that, they are identical. With your headphones on the table, then, or on a flat surface, just a case of getting this this piece of protective foam. There are no instructions with this, by the way, and it's only by having done it before that I know how to do it. So just pop that in there, and then these are a simple interference fit. There are no clips to speak of, and then just you have to hold it so that you don't move things around. See if I can get that so you can see. It's very dark, isn't it? Let's get that in there, and then it is a case of simply squeezing it in with your thumbs around the edge. There we go. So I've just, whilst there are no clips, it grips. I'll show you where it grips. There we go, that one nearly done that side.
There we go. What it's doing is it's gripping around this edge here. So not on the outside, but it's gripping on the inside. I say there are no clips. There's actually a very slight extrusion part on the plastic there, which is holding that inner ring in here. So let's do that second side. You can see there's a faint outline of where that needs to go as well. So it should go in there, that outline. And then just lining it up. Like that. Oh gosh. And then just pushing down with the thumbs, trying to get those. There's these two clips, well, not clips, are they? The extrusions. You can't break it, put it that way. Go. There we go, perfect. Just check that side's in. There we go. And then it's just a case of getting your cable, putting that back in there. Ooh, there we go. And there we are. Those are the old ones. As I say, brown and no longer required. And these are the really nice new ones.
So there we are, one pair of Sennheiser HD590s with beautiful new ear pads. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you also for all the comments I've received recently on some of my other videos. Enjoy your Sennheisers, and if you've liked this video, do hit me a like, and I will see you for the next one. Thanks and goodbye.